First of all, this car, we call it 000, also known as El Bandito. This is the first drag pack ever built. And over the last 10 years, it's been many different things. It started off with a 6.1, then it had a V10 in it, had a Viper engine in it for a while, and now it has a 354 supercharged aluminum block that our team developed.
We had an aluminum block that was really old design, but it was working on our naturally aspirated package. Didn't really want to work with a supercharged application, so we decided to go ahead and re-engineer the block. Of course, in motorsports, it had to be done in like 3 weeks.
These cars, all three manufacturers, they're very, very close, and I think that's what's attractive. People want to see that rivalry, and we don't want to see cars that are just running away with it.
I think the class will continue to get faster. We know of a lot of potential left in the engine packages, and that's only one part of it. There's probably the hugest untapped potential left in the chassis. Everyone says like you don't know when the next 20 horsepower comes, but luckily we've got a really good team here, and we're pretty sure where the next 20 horsepower is going to come from.